Types of scaffolding. The temporary erection provided to support a number of platforms at different levels for the convenience of workers is called scaffolding. The commonly used scaffolds are 1. Single scaffolding. It consists of vertical members firmly fixed in ground at 2.5 meters to 3.0 meters apart. These standards are connected together by ledges, the horizontal members, at every 1.3 to 1.6 meters. The lodges carry putlogs, transverse pieces at right angles to the walls, to support the working platform. 2. Double scaffold. In this type, double scaffolds are provided with ledges and braces, one close to the wall and the other at a distance of 1.5 meters from the first. 3. Cantilever scaffold. In this type, these scaffolds are cantilevered and supported by a number of needles which are provided at floor level or through holes made in the wall. 4. Suspended scaffold. This type of scaffold, which is very light, consists of a working platform suspended from the roof with the help of ropes, chains or wire. This may be raised or lowered according to the working area. 5. Trestle scaffold. This type of scaffold consists of a ladder or tripod carrying a working platform on its top. 6. Steel scaffold. The scaffold in which steel pipes are used is called steel scaffold. These can be erected rapidly and are less deteriorated. Thank you.